Question 10. A train timetable is shown. So that's the train timetable here. Question 10a says William catches the 10:15 from Southampton. He arrives in Devonport 4 minutes late. What time does he arrive in Devonport? Well, if he catches the 10:15 at Southampton, that's this train here. So this is going to be the yellow question. If he arrives in Devonport, that's here. Okay, so wherever I get on the train, I follow it down that column to find out what time I'm going to get off at my destination. But this question says he arrives in Devonport 4 minutes late. So what we need to do is, well, he should arrive at 14:58, and we need to add 4 minutes to that to find out what time he actually arrives. Well, if I added 2 minutes, that would get me to 1500. So if I add 4 minutes, it's going to get me to 15:02. Okay, so the time he arrives in Devonport is 15:02. Part B says, how long is William's total journey? So when we're working with time, you must make sure you avoid doing any kind of subtraction using columns. So I can't just do this one, take away this one in a column. That won't give me the right answer. What I need to do is draw myself a timeline. And if I put my start and finish times on, I'm interested in how far I've gone in between. So if he starts at 10:15, and in part A we worked out he arrives at 15:02, all we've got to do is see how far it is from 10:15 to 15:02. And I'm going to do this in several jumps. So I'm going to start at 10:15 and I'm going to add on just enough time to get me to 11 o'clock, because that's a nice round number. To do that, I need to add 45 minutes. Then I'm going to add on a few hours to get me to 1500. So in order to do that, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I'm adding on 4 hours. And then to get from 15 to 15:02, I need to add another 2 minutes. So altogether, it's taken him 4 hours. And we had 45 minutes here and 2 minutes here. So that's 47 minutes. So 4 hours and 47 minutes. Question 10c. Kate catches the 11:45 from Southampton. She arrives in Plymouth on time. She goes shopping and she gets back to Plymouth station 90 minutes later. Is she back in time to catch the 17:57 train? You must show your working. So she catches the 11:45 at Southampton. So she's catching this train here. And she arrives in Plymouth. So this is where she's getting off here. So she gets off the train at 16:24 because it says that she's on time. She then goes shopping for 90 minutes and then she's back at the station, and we need to be able to see, can she catch the 17:57 train? So these are the times we're interested in. So let's say she's at 16:24 here, and we'll draw ourselves a timeline. And we'll add on, we need to add on 90 minutes altogether. Well, let's break that up. Let's add on 60 minutes, because 60 minutes is an hour. That would get us to 17:24. Then let's add on another 30 minutes. And that will get us to 17:54. And she needs to catch the 17:57 train. So will she arrive in time? Yes. In fact, she will arrive 3 minutes early.